No, this is not actually the Blue Ridge Parkway. This is a spur of it. But that is the Great Smoky Mountains National Park looking towards Cherokee. Well, what happened to the sign? Did somebody steal it? Oh, you see a little bit of color coming into the maple trees. Boy, I saw some huge maple trees yesterday. This is Maggie Valley. Oh, we're going through a tunnel. Lickstone Ridge Tunnel. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank goodness. This is looking towards the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Cherokee will be down below. And it's quite nice today. The Big Bears, Bear Park. Oops, the bridge closed. The bridge is closed. I'm heading back to the campground. Besides this big old tree, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a chestnut oak, I believe. Wow, it's a big one. This is from Water Rock Knob. This is hiking up to the overlook at Shining Rock, where all these plants that are flowering and seeding out. This trail will call out the smokers. It's pretty steep. Alright, there's the parking lot down there at Water Rock Knob. And from here you can see Mount Pisgah, Shining Rock Plateau, Double Top Mountain, Whiteside Mountain, that surprises me, and Yellow Mountain. There's the overlook. And here's the seeding flowers. I don't know what these things are. Alright, the pavement has run out. It's more like a hiking trail. That's Double Top right in the middle there. And then you can see Whiteside along about there. Wow, that's a nice shot right there. It's still quite calm. Looking down on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I can imagine how the wind doth howl up here in the wintertime. I wonder if this is Maggie Valley. Yeah, they have a ski lift that went up to Ghost Town, which is now defunct. I bet it is. Not sure what mountain that is right there in the middle. It could be Balsam Mountain. And down below is Qualla Boundaries, part of the Cherokee Reservation. Whoops. This is Table Rock Lake State Park. All right, I'm on Highway 276 west, or I think it's north. Anyhow, this road goes to Brevard. I'm in South Carolina, and this is a crooked road that goes up to Caesar's Head. Yes, sirree, this is a crooked road. I don't like the way they spray poison on the trees, the roadside. It's polluting the waters. Now we're getting into the tall forest. "15 miles an hour, wow. Yes, look at this. Ah! This is what I call crooked. All right, which state am I in? Oh, I don't know. I think I'm in North Carolina, but I'm not sure. This road sort of follows the state line. What the heck is going on here? Now back in South Carolina. I wonder if those buses weren't going to some kind of retreat. There may be a YMCA camp up here somewhere. Yes, it is. The Greenville YMCA camp. So that's what that's all about, the buses. So this road is basically follow the North Carolina and South Carolina border. Well, it's certainly an interesting road. There are lots of private residences up here. All right, this is the YMCA at Greenville, of Greenville. And look, the highway just goes right behind it. 15 miles an hour. There's a lake out there. Looks like they're closed for the season.